Good morning, everyone. No, good morning.
Ma'am.
Okay. So here, I was talking about money or what is the meaning of money? What do you mean by barter system? Then I told you the defects of barter system. With the introduction of money, what all happened? What changes happened? What are the features of money? Just 1 minute, okay? So I told you the importance of money. Then why are we using money? There are some features of money, like that. What happened, Elsa and Shania? Something is going on between you people. Yes or no? Hmm? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let it be. Okay. So who is issuing currency? I told. Who is issuing currency? Hmm? Fast, fast. You can tell the answer. RBI. Okay, RBI is issuing the currency. Reserve Bank, that same thing, my dear. Reserve Bank and RBI is same. Okay. So, Reserve Bank of India. So, with that, yeah, the rupees has become legal in our country, or it is legally accepted in our country. No one can refuse the payment in money. Now, just let me share the screen. Just 1 minute. Now, next is about demand deposit. Now, I told that what are the modern forms of currency? Can anyone say what are the modern forms of currency?
Rupees and coins.
Rupees and coins. And one more thing I told. What is that?
Deposit.
Deposit. Deposit with the bank, right? That also I told as a modern form of currency. Now, you know that or majority of the people, they receive salary. When do they receive salary?
Job.
End of the month.
Uh-uh.
End of the month.
End of the month. This is what usually you might have seen, and majority of the people, if you see, they are employed somewhere or some way they are earning money. Business people also, it's not that sometimes they get a lot of money together. So, do you think that people prefer to keep money with them? Hmm? What do you feel? People, whether they keep whatever money, okay, I'm getting salary at the end of the month, am I keeping that whole salary with me? Is it?
No, ma'am.
No. What do we do actually?
Deposit in the banks.
Yeah, we will deposit in the bank. Okay, because we may not want that much money for one for this, or we may spend that. Please mute it. Is on. So here we may use that a full amount of money for the full month. So we don't prefer to keep that whole money with us in the beginning of the month. So usually people deposit that money in the bank. Okay. So that is one reason why the people, they deposit their money with the bank, or they don't want to keep it with them. There are various other reasons also. Can you think of what can be one reason why people they deposit money in the bank? Srihari, can you tell?
And you're saving for future.
Maybe saving for future, that can be one reason. Is it that only for saving? Is there any other reason? Anjali, can you tell? Why do we prefer to keep money in the bank?
for future uses.
It is only for future use. That
Yes,
means
and for
that means
securing.
that means once you put money, don't we take that? It's all for saving. Is it? Once money is deposited, is it all for saving?
No, man, we can
No.
take the money when required.
Okay, whenever we want, we can take the money. So why to keep it in the bank? We can keep it with ourselves. What is the reason?
Robbery.
No, it's more secure in the bank.
Robbery. Somebody said robbery. Okay, robbery in the sense there is a chance that this might get lost, or we say that some people maybe might come and rob us. So people always, that we don't prefer to keep much cash with ourselves. That can be one reason. Navneet, any other reason why we prefer to keep it in the bank?
Ma'am,
Hmm. Any other reason? Elsa, can you think?
Ma'am,
When we keep in the bank, we use it at a
When
certain amount.
we keep it in the bank, we use it. Is that Sania? Can you tell?
Ma'am, for future.
Is that the only reason? See, we want money. It's not for future. I'm talking about day-to-day expenses. Okay,
Ma'am,
you might have seen. Yeah,
when money is in the bank, we can use card. No need to carry money.
we can use that.
Card, credit
We
card.
can use it with the card. Okay, no, but we are using that. Okay, we are when we are using. Why do you keep that? What is the reason? One person told that it is maybe for keeping under safe custody, or it is safe in the bank. Because of that reason, they are keeping it there. Any other reason? What do you
And
feel?
that huge
That-
amount is not required for daily necessities.
Okay, that is why we are keeping actual amount. It's not required because of that reason. Only that reason.
Ma'am, to getting this.
To
Getting this.
Transactions, big.
transaction between also. Okay, that you can do directly transaction. Is it that bank should be there for transaction? Huh? Is it compulsory that bank should be there for transaction? No, it's not necessary. Any one particular reason, don't you feel that why you put money there? Sometimes we put money for 1 year, 2 year and all. There is a reason for that. 2 year, like fixed deposit we keep. What is the
Tax.
reason? Is it because tax?
interest,
What is that? Somebody said, I feel.
ma'am, interest,
Interest rate. That is what? Interest rate you get actually, right? You are just putting the money in the bank and you are able to increase the money. Otherwise, who will put the money in the bank, because there is no profit for us. So they think that we are getting some more amount of money if we put in the bank. So because by thinking that, or by thinking that our money is going to increase, we put that money in the bank. So one reason why the people, they prefer to put the money in the bank, that is, one is safe, it is under safe custody. Another reason, we are able to receive some amount of money with the help of this whatever money we have deposited in the bank. That is another reason. Okay. Another one thing you can see, the speciality in the bank is that whenever you want money, you can go and take from that. So there is a particular kind of deposit on your demand, it can be withdrawn. On your demand, in the sense, what? What do you mean by on your demand?
When you wish to take it.
Whenever you want, you can take the money. So according to that, it's given according to your demand. Because of that reason, we call it as a demand deposit. Okay, so what do you mean by a demand deposit? According to your demand, we can withdraw money from our deposit. That kind of deposit, we call it as demand deposit. So I want everyone to write down whatever I'm telling, because when I'm taking class, you people are not noting down anything and you are forgetting in the next period. Okay, so write it down. One question. Why do people why do people prefer to why do people prefer to deposit money in the bank? Money in the bank. So usually, you know that whenever we have a lot of money, we will open an account in the bank, then we will deposit our money in that, or the money will be deposited in that. Did you write the question?
Uh,
Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what are the reasons? Can you tell? Tanya, can you tell what are the reasons?
But no one robbery.
Okay, that means put it in a good word. Money is safe with the bank. So
Money.
that is the first point. First point you can write, money is safe with the bank. What is the second point? Rachel, what is the second point?
Ma'am,
Hmm. Yes. What is the
Ma'am,
second
first
point?
one, can you
Then
repeat?
first point is that money is safe with the bank. Second point, Rachel.
ma'am, we can
Hmm.
deposit the money.
We can deposit the money, but why do we deposit? Why? What is the need for that?
Ma'am, we will get interest.
Handa. This is too much. I'm asking 1%, right? Okay. We will get interest. That is correct. That is correct one. So you can write it down. It earns an amount as interest. Second point, it earns an amount as interest. Third point, I can tell you. Third point, write it down. People, I want everyone to write it down. Next period or now only I will ask. That is better because I can see that many of you are not writing down. Okay. Next point, people also have the provision to. People also have the provision to withdraw the money.
Ma'am,
People
people also.
People also have the provision to withdraw the money. People also have the provision to withdraw the money. As and when they require. As and when they require. As and when they require. Continue the point. Since the deposit in the bank account,
Ma'am, can you repeat that as?
as and when, whenever we want. That is what you mean by as and when. As and when they require. Since the deposit in the bank accounts, since the deposits in the bank accounts
Ma'am, since
deposits in the bank account can be withdrawn on demand, can be withdrawn on demand. These deposits are called demand deposits. These deposits are called demand deposits. These deposits are called demand deposits. Devasena? Devasena? Okay, just read whatever you have written. One question I gave you and 3 points I gave. Read what you have written. Yes. Devasena, fast. Did you write it down? Devasena, are you there? Gauri, read it out. Whatever. See, this is what I told. I will make you to read after writing the points because I can see that many are sitting simply. Gauri, read it out.
Money is safe with the bank.
Hmm.
It earns an amount as interest.
Hmm.
People also have the provision to withdraw the money as and when they require, since the deposit in the bank accounts can be withdrawn on demand. These deposits are called demand deposits.
Okay. Now, so here you can see this one. Okay. So here you can see that whenever we want the demand deposit, whenever we want that particular money, that time we can withdraw that with the help of check or with the other facilities. Okay. Now, because of this reason, we call this demand deposits as money. So demand deposit also, sorry, demand deposit are also considered as money. Why do we consider it as money? What is the feature of money? What is the main function of money?
To buy goods and
It can
services.
be used for the, it can be used for what?
To buy goods and services.
By
Goods and services.
goods and services, or we say that it can be used, it can be mainly used in the transaction. So because of this reason, you can see why this is board is not working, just one. Okay. Okay, so it can be used as in the transaction. Okay, now in this, just 1 minute, okay. Now, next one, how can we use the demand deposit as a money? Or one feature I told that what is the feature of money, that we can use it for transaction. We can use it in the medium of exchange. The same feature this demand deposit has. So because of that reason, we call demand deposit as money, or it is also sharing the essential feature of money. Because of that reason, we say that demand deposit also can be considered as money. Now, how can we use this as money? That is what they have given. You know what is a check. You might have seen check. Have you seen check? Checks you might have seen. Here on the screen also you can see a check. Here you can see some name is given. That is, just 1 minute. That is the Srinivasan you can see, right? Did you see that? What is the name they have given? Srinivasan. The payment, how much amount is that? That is given. How much money is to be paid? That is given. Date is put here. Then some numbers are here. These are all necessary for a check. And here you can see that is account payee. What do you mean by that account payee here? What is account payee? What is account payee? It will go to the account of this particular person. Okay, like this, few features are there for check, and there should be signature. Whoever is giving, there should be a signature. Like that, few features will be there for the check. Now, what do you mean by a check? That is, it is a paper, and that paper instructing the bank. Paper is telling the bank to pay. How much they should pay? That they might have written to pay a specific amount of money from a person's account. If I am giving a check from my account, this much money you pay to the person's account in whose name the check has been issued. So usually they used to ask, what do you mean by a check? Okay, so what is a check here? Navneet, can you read it out? What do you mean by
Ma'am,
a check?
check is a paper.
It is a
Check is a paper. It is
paper.
a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount from the person's account to the person account in whose name the check had been issued.
Issued. Now, if you read like this, you may not understand, or it will not be easy for you to understand. Now, what you should do, you split the line here. Check is a paper instructing the bank. It is a paper instructing the bank. What they are instructing to pay a specific amount from the person's account to the person's account in whose name the check has been issued. Okay, so understand like this and learn, then it will be easy for you. Okay, so write it down. What do you mean by a check? Just write the point. Check is a paper. Check is a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount. To pay a specific amount. Nihal, are you writing? From the person's account. From the person's account to the person's account in whose name, to the person's account in whose name, the check has been issued. To the person's account in whose name the check has been issued. So one businessman is there. He should pay 5 lakhs to another party, or he bought some raw material for his industry. He should pay 5 lakhs. Is it safe to carry 5 lakhs with him or to carry a check? Which one is more safe? Yeah, check is more safer, right? So because of that reason, many people nowadays, they pay through the checks. Now that was a system before. Nowadays, you know that online transactions are there. So one benefit you can see with the usage of check, that is, what is the benefit here? You can carry it wherever you go. You need not have a big bag or anything like that. It's not a large quantity, just a paper. You take it and give it to that person, sign it and give it to that person. The other person can receive the money. Now, one more thing is there here, why it is written account payee, because this will go to the account of that person. Now, if you are not writing this account payee, what will happen? If you are not writing account payee, what will happen?
Go to the first one.
So whoever is getting that particular check, they can go and get in their hands. Okay, so it is compulsory that whenever you are writing a check, that this should be there. We have to take care. We have to write account payee. Otherwise, you can see 2 lines might have drawn there. This shows that this is going to the account of that particular person. Okay, now we'll start the seminar. First group. Angelo, your group is doing, right? Susan?
Ma'am.
Yes or no? Who is starting? Susan, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who is doing first in your group?
Aaron.
Where is Aaron? Is he present? Is he present? Just check. No? If you see the participant's name, just check
No,
whether
ma'am.
Aaron is. No, Agna. What about Agna?
Ma'am, he was there now. He
Now he left. As I called, he left or what?
was there.
Agnes, sir.
Agna, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
No, ma'am. I am still doing it.
Still doing it means what now? What are you still doing? You are preparing a PowerPoint?
Yes.
How come? You how many slides you are doing?
Only 2.
Only 2, then you have not done.
No, I didn't finish it. Only 2 of them finished.
2, okay, then third person. If this way it goes, I will put mark absent, I will put mark 0. I don't want to do that. Huh? Alicia, what about Alicia? Susan, did you check with them whether they are ready or they have done? What did they say?
They didn't say anything. I sent a reminder message.
Alicia, why Alicia is keeping it off? The video is off now. How can I understand whether you're sitting there? What about Anuj is present? No. Angelo, what about, Susan, what about you? Are you ready?
I am in the other group.
You are in the other group, but I told na, whenever you are taking seminar, you have to be in your group. Huh? Didn't I tell? Whenever you are taking seminar, you have to be in your group. When you send the homework and other things, you have to send it to others, because a seminar you can do in your group. What is the difficulty in that? Okay, now C section I'm calling. Alna, what about Alna? Where is she? Alna is absent. Ebin,
Yes, ma'am.
Ebin,
Yes, ma'am.
are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, are you sharing the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, you can. Ebin, you can start.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
In between, I'll call out the names. Ahlam. Ahlam. Present or not? Just tell someone. Alna. Ananda Krishna.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell.
can
You
you
can.
see the screen?
Yeah, I can. Economic seminar, it's there on the basis of activity, nature of activity. Yes.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning to one and all. My name is Evan, and I'm here to present a seminar on the topic on the basis of nature of activity. Classification on the basis of nature of activity. We can classify the economic sector on the basis of nature of activities in three sectors, namely primary, secondary, and tertiary sector. What is a primary sector? Resource extraction, mining, farming, and fishing are some examples of primary sector. Primary sector is sometimes known as the extraction sector because it involves taking raw materials. These can be renewable resources such as fish, wool, and wind power, or it can be the use of non-renewable resources such as oil extraction, mining for coal. In the 1920s, over 1 million people were employed in the UK coal industry. It was a key part of the economy. However, improved technology and the growth of the other energy sources has seen a dramatic decline in this primary sector industry. What is a secondary sector? A secondary sector makes and distributes finished goods. Manufacturing, example, producing cars from aluminium. Construction, building homes, factories. Utilities, providing goods like electricity, gas, and telephones to households. The manufacturing industry takes raw materials and combines them to produce a higher value added finished product. For example, raw sheep wool can be spun to form a better quality wool. This wool can then be threaded and knitted to produce jumper that can be worn. Initially, the manufacturing industry was based on labor-intensive cottage industry. Example, hand spinning. However, the development of improved technology such as spinning machines enabled the growth of large factories, benefiting from economics of scale. They were able to reduce the cost of producing and increase labor productivity. The higher labor productivity also enabled higher wages and more income to spend on goods and services. What is a tertiary sector? The service sector includes retail, financial services, insurance, investment, leisure and hospitality, communications, IT, and transportation. This service sector is concerned with the intangible aspect of offering services to consumers and business. It involves retail of manufactured goods. It also provides services such as insurance and banking. In the 20th century, the service sector has grown due to improved labor productivity and higher disposable income. More disposable income enables more spending on luxury service items such as tourism and restaurants. Thank you.
Okay, have you done the sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 minute. Yes. Any doubt for anyone regarding this? Any
No.
question? I want you to ask some questions so that some sort of interaction. Even those who are teaching, I mean, taking seminar also, if you want, you can ask some questions in between that. Okay. So no question. So you are on safer side. When I am taking class, they will not ask any question. Is it that like that? Nothing. Okay. So here, yeah, Fizan.
Primary sector is called extraction.
Extraction, because it is a question, it should not be for me actually. Okay, let the person answer. Where is he? Why is it
Ma'am.
known as, yeah,
Because it is in
it is there
primary
in that sentence itself. Yeah.
Extracting that.
Ben,
Ma'am.
yeah.
It is involved in raw materials.
It is involved in the extraction of raw
Raw
material.
material.
What do you mean by extraction here? You are taking the raw material from the nature. That is why it is known as. And one more thing, your PowerPoint and the pictures, whatever, it is wonderful, but it should not be that you should read it out. Okay, let it be there, but you just try to explain that. Okay, it should be like that. You can show the things on the screen. At the same time, the written work it can be, but you try to explain that not in a reading manner. Yeah, clear?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
yeah.
we can show a video, like that. Ma'am showed one video that like we can show video.
What is that?
You can show us
Video. How you will show this much small video in that 5 minutes? Don't show the same video. What is this?
Ma'am, I'm sure the one video like that we can make an.
You can show, no problem. You have to cut short it and show that. Okay, you should know what is that exact timing, you know. Okay, it should not be too much also. No problem, you can. Okay, next, Ahlam. Ahlam. Allah is here? No. Ahlam, are you there? What about Ananda Krishna? Ananda Krishna, are you there? No. So all these things I will start putting minus mark now. And what about Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can write.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you have any PowerPoint? You can share the screen if you want. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ananda Krishna is absent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anjali. Anthony?
Sectors of the
Okay.
Indian economy.
Yes.
Sectors of the Indian economy is divided into 3 types. And that today I'm going to present the second type of classification that is based on the organizations or employment. It is divided into 2, organized sector and unorganized sector. Organized sector. Terms of the employment are regular, so people have assured work. They have registered by the government, follows rules and regulations given in various laws. It has some formal process and procedures in the organized sector. Benefits of the organized sector. They have paid leave, payment during holidays, provided fund, gratuity, workers get pension after retirement and medical benefits too. Unorganized sector. Characterized by small and scattered units which are largely outside the control of the government. These are rules and regulations, but these are not followed. They have low paid jobs and are not regular too. Disadvantages of unorganized sector. There is no provision for overtime, holidays, paid leaves, leaves due to sickness, etc. Employment is not secure. For example, farmers work on their own and hire laborers as and when they require. Some people can be also asked to leave the job. How to protect workers in the unorganized sector? Setting up small-scale industries in semi-rural areas, implementing many programs such as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MGNREGA. It was founded on 2005. In rural areas, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act provides at least 100 days of work. It also provides in 200 districts, but now it's into 600 districts. 1/3 of the total work is reserved for women. It will give unemployment allowances to the people too. Thank you.
Okay, very good. It's done well. Some extra points also are discussed. Very good. Okay. So that's what, as you explained, little explanation from your side you can add. PowerPoints are wonderful. Okay. I will just call out the names. It's time now. Remaining we will do in the next class. Just fast, please tell someone see the participant name also. Arun Bhaskar is present or not? Atulya? Atulya. Ashik present. Atulya present. Baston. Dominic? Baston is there? Baston?
Ma'am, Dominic present.
Okay, what about Baston? Okay, you say. Okay, Elsa?
Present, ma'am.
In fast you tell, okay? It's time. Pagat? Absent. Gauri? Present. Gautam? Present. Jerlin? Jerlin? Jesslyn? Absent. Jerlin is present, right?
Jesslyn present.
Jesslyn present. I didn't see you today.
No, ma'am,
Justin? Justin?
And Jerlin is absent.
Jerlin is absent. Okay, Justin? Absent. Karthik?
Present, ma'am.
Kshetra?
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi?
Present, ma'am.
Alita?
Present, ma'am.
Minha? Revu? Saif?
Present, ma'am.
Sania? Shania?
Present, ma'am.
Sean?
Present, ma'am.
Sovel?
Present, ma'am.
Sriram? Srihari?
Present, ma'am.
Swati? Okay,
Present, ma'am.
now 10B, 1 minute. Just wait. Aaron? Absent. Agna? Present. Alicia? Present. Anuj? Absent. Just check fast. Susan? Present. Ashna? Ashna?
Ma'am, Anuj is present. Anuj is absent.
Anuj is absent. Ashna? Absent. Godwin? Absent. Lena? Present. Chris Joe? Chris Joe? Absent. Delvin? Present. Elna? Elena? Absent. Someone please you check the participant's name, na? Leaders can do that otherwise. Isha?
Present, ma'am.
Eva? Present.
Present.
Shifana? Shifana? Fatimat Shifana?
Ma'am, absent.
Fizan, present. Krishna, absent or present? Absent.
Ma'am,
Maria,
absent.
Maria. Meghna, Nihal, Nazil,
Absent.
absent. Nabil,
Present, ma'am.
Navineet,
Present, ma'am.
Nazrin,
Absent.
Noble, Rachel George,
Absent. Absent.
Rachel Bobbin, present.
Present,
Raya,
ma'am.
Raya. She's a leader, right?
Ma'am, she's absent.
She is absent. Rohan,
Present, ma'am.
Roland, Roshan Jain,
No, absent.
Shweta, Vishnu.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you everyone. We'll continue the next class, seminar, okay?